Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Twitch black screen not playing video. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to, of course, first open our browser and then go here on the Twitch website, which is twitch.tv. And then once you're now here, what we're going to do first is to make sure that we disable any extensions that we may have right here on the website. So to check that, just go into your extensions and then disable it, especially if it is an ad blocker. So we're going to disable it right here and then click on refresh. After that, if it is still not working, then the next thing that we are going to do right here is to click on this icon right here. And then we're going to click on cookies and site data. And then we're going to click on cookies right here. And then we're going to click on Twitch. And then we're going to click on remove. After that, just click on done and then restart the website once again. And then if it is still not working, then what we're going to do last is to go back again into this part, click on cookies and site data, go into settings. And then in this part, we're going to click on see all cookies and site data. And then on the search bar, just look for Twitch. And then in this part, we're going to click this and then we're going to delete all of this one right here. So delete them. And then once you delete them, all you have to do is to restart your website and then just log in again into your account. So that is basically it.